In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a glow effect in Canva. If you want to make your text or a design element stand out more, Canva's glow effect is a simple tool that can create a polished, eye-catching look in just a few clicks. This works especially well for titles, buttons, icons, and other elements you want viewers to notice right away. The key is knowing where to find the effect and how to adjust it so it enhances your design instead of distracting from it. Start by opening your Canva design and clicking on the text or element you want to edit. Make sure you've selected the exact item you want to apply the glow to, because Canva only shows certain editing options when the correct object is active. Once it's selected, look at the top toolbar, where you'll find the editing controls for that item. From there, click on Effects. This is where Canva groups together different visual styling options that can change the appearance of your selected text or element. After the Effects panel opens, look through the available choices and select Glow. As soon as you click it, Canva will apply a default glow effect, which gives you a starting point to work from. Now it's time to customize the glow so it fits your design. You can adjust the color to either match your brand style or create contrast that helps the object pop. Then change the size to control how far the glow extends around the text or element. A smaller size usually looks cleaner and more subtle, while a larger size can create a more dramatic effect. Next, adjust the transparency. This setting controls how strong or soft the glow appears. Lower transparency can make the effect feel more intense, while higher transparency creates a gentler, more blended look. You can also change the blur, which affects how sharp or diffused the glow looks. More blur creates a soft, hazy glow, while less blur makes the outline appear tighter and more defined. Once you've made your adjustments, take a moment to preview your design. This is important because a glow that looks good up close can sometimes feel too strong when viewed as part of the full layout. Make sure the effect supports your text or element rather than overpowering it. If needed, go back and fine-tune the settings until everything feels balanced and easy to read. And that's it. That's how to add and customize a glow effect in Canva to make your design stand out in a clean, professional way.